A cancer is an abnormal growth of cells that grow, divide, and reproduce uncontrollably, and can invade adjacent tissues and migrate to distant parts of the body where they form secondary tumors within other organs. Malignant cells can develop from almost any tissue within the body, which can give rise to abnormal growths known as solid tumors. These tumors require the formation of new blood vessels which provide the growing mass with a supply of oxygen and nutrients. Cells of the blood may also become malignant, although these do not normally give rise to solid tumors. Instead, they can reproduce within the bone marrow and affect the production of healthy blood cells that perform vital roles within the body. The immune system is often able to recognize cancerous cells and destroy them before they reproduce or spread. However, cancer is more likely to progress in people whose immune system is impaired and can even escape the immune system's protective surveillance in a healthy person. Symptoms of cancer vary depending on the origin, though the presence of such cells can restrict the function and damage vital organs within the body. Treatment of cancer may involve attempting to kill cancer cells with chemotherapy drugs or radiation. Surgical removal is another option when the tumor is accessible to a surgeon.